cool menu. All the time. This spot's been around here for about 50 years.
It's 31. So it should be 32. La Cuisine is not here anymore. Yeah,
hold on. Let me call you back in 10 minutes. I'm about to get my order, my food.
Okay.
Okay.
Check this out, man. Look at this Cadillac right here. East Los Angeles classics, man. LA. Beautiful. So what is up, guys? So we got the food here with crystalxoxo, and this spot's been around, like I said, for a long time. I'm hungover. We just came over here. She's gonna show you a bite of her food and show you what's in there.
So basically, I got a chile relleno. So this is what it is. It's kind of small, huh?
Yeah. Take a bite. Take a bite of it, so you can see the inside. That's the inside right there, guys.
You can see the chile relleno. Look at that.
Yeah, that's really good.
It's really good.
And then we got another of their chili cheese fries, which is right here. And then I got a bean and cheese burrito and some taquitos. So we're gonna get in. It's gonna be a car bang, guys. So what is up, guys? We're back, and I got this bean and cheese right here. This place is kind of expensive, but it's been there for a while. It is good. It's good. You can tell they use quality stuff. Here's the bean and cheese, guys. It's good. Let's try the chili cheese fries. Where's the fork set? Never had their chili cheese fries here, so I'm kind of anticipating to try them out. This is what they look like. Check that out, guys. So let's try them. Let's try them out. See what they're working with here. Okay, it has a good flavor. It's not bad. You can tell they got their chili on point. Oh my god, dude. Let's try another one. You ready? Try it. Yeah, that's a lot. Okay. Oh my god. She's gonna try them next. Tell me what you think, right? Cheese is good, Crystal. How do you think? Hold the let's get a snap what's it called? Hold it up there. No, let's do it right here. So is this your typical bean and cheese burrito? Their chile has like a, I don't know how to explain it. We have some taquitos here. Here are the taquitos, guys. You see that? Check that out. Let's go ahead and try it. Ready?
The chili cheese fries are alright.
These are not bad. You don't like them? I don't know about 9 for a large.
I wouldn't pay that.
This was $5, guys. This little ass thing. Not bad. Let me try that chile relleno burrito, babe. How is it?
Good.
Let me try it out.
The chili cheese fries?
Let me try it out. Babe.
Good.
Tell them what the flavors you're tasting, babe.
You get the tortillas nice, like it's fresh. You get the taste of the beans, and then the chile relleno, then the cheese, then the batter from
the relleno's
egg.
hot, huh?
Yeah, it's like fresh. It tastes fresh. Do that, yeah.
Here's taquito.
So just give it to him. I was gonna give him the chili cheese fries.
Give it to him?
Yeah, I was gonna give him the chili cheese fries. You put out chili all over. Here.
You don't want that?
Go ahead.
Finish your burrito first, Jeremy.
He's gonna save it for later. So yeah,
Give it to him like that. Just tell him to taste it.
Careful, there's chile right there.
I don't know, but for 25 bucks it's kind of a lot. For all
Yeah, for all the we paid 25 bucks right now, and it's kind of a lot for just 2 burritos and 2 taquitos and chili cheese fries.
The size is small, you know. But hey, nowadays that's what you get, man. You know, it's gonna be just a quick video, guys. I think for this we could have went to JNS. Oh well. That's bomb though.
It's good, huh? If you guys do ever go there, try the chile relleno. You'll like it.
Oh yeah.
It has a little spice from the chile.
It's good. Eat something hot. Need something to... I need a hot... I need a hot spot.
Woo! Look at that.
No.
Here, drink some water. A little bit of water. You want some more?
Sure.
Mom, you give me that? You drink it? Mom, you give me that? You drink it?
Yeah, drink some water first.
Okay.
Chile relleno's like hot, you know? It's good.
Look, you guys, you can see all the cheese coming out from the burrito. Look at this. Look at it. See? That's all cheese. Look at it. Melted cheese.
Very, very good, guys.
Here, Mom. Here. Here.
Can you give us napkins? Oh, down here. What's that?
Hey, this is my big pasta.
Which one's better, the relleno from here or JNS?
I kind of like this one better because they have the whole chili relleno like intact together. Over there, it's like pieces.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not the same. Oh, I'm really full.
I'm gonna kill her burrito. This is just a small little bang.
Pretty good, you guys. Oh, shoot. Oh, hands dirty. Was the bean and cheese good? Oh, it's alright.
I'd rather have the JNS. This is gonna be it's a small little quick par bag. If you're ever in East LA, go try it out. 45 years. It's on East 3rd Street. Just look it up when you're out there.
Behind my question.
All right, it's your boy, and we out.
Excuse me.
Peace.